What is up, everyone? It's game time, and today I'm doing, I don't know if you've seen, doing like a series of this I'm opening retail 17-18 optic basketball, one blaster and one big retail box in each break. Last round I started with one of these, so this time I'm gonna start with the blaster. First round was really good. Got some really nice parallels. Did pull an autograph. Fortunately, it was not anyone I'd ever heard of, but I mean, when you get an autograph out of retail, what you gonna do? But I pulled some really nice rookie parallels out of that first round. If you want to go back and watch those videos, or that video should I say. Starting off with a Dennis Smith Jr. and Bill Russell Hawkins. Josh Hart, Raider rookie, and Court Kings, James Harden. Malik Monk, Raider rookie, and a purple Dwayne Wade. Devon Reed and Kyle Kuzma. Very nice. Ntilikina and a CJ McCollum Court Kings Prism. There's James Harden. Derek White and Zizic Raider rookie Prism. De'Aaron Fox Raider rookie, and a Magic Johnson Hawkins. Not bad for a blaster, not bad at all. Now let's see what we can get out of this bigger retail box. This has 20 packs of goodness. Alright, our first purple is Jamal Crawford. And then we have a Court Kings of Harden and a Jason Tatum. Very nice. It's my third so far in this series. I'm hoping to get one of his in a parallel version, either purple or Prism. Jerry West Prism Hawkins. There's a Jerry West Hawkins non-Prism and Caleb Swanigan Raider rookie. DJ Wilson Raider rookie Prism, not one of the better ones to get for sure, so that's a shame. It kind of makes you a little bit sick when you get a good card of a bad player, but that will, well, I'm not saying he's bad. I don't really know much about him. He's not one of the top stars for sure. LeBron, Kemba Walker Court Kings, and a Markelle Fultz. Zingas, Oladipo, Lynn Court Kings, and Alonzo Ball Raider rookie. I think that is my third of his as well, so it's good. I'm stocking up on some of the good rookies, which is what I hoped when I bought this lot. Kennard Rookie Kings. Yeah, I got a pretty sweet deal on this on eBay. I was really happy to find a lot like this at a good price. which these boxes are affordable anyway. Amir Johnson Prism and a Selden rated rookie. For what they deliver, they're a good price. James Harden, a purple Rondé Hollis Jefferson, Elfrid Payton, oh come on, really? Looks like we got a purple Malik Monk. God, that looks good. I know I keep saying that, but it really, the purple rated rookie really looks good. A D'Angelo Russell Prism and Dylan Brooks rated rookie. Court Kings, Gary Harris, this is blue actually, numbered out of 85, and a Yabusele rated rookie. Go ahead and pull the rest of these out of here. A Court Kings, Brandon Ingram, and Tyler Lydon rated rookie. Oscar Robertson, Hall Kings. And the first box, I think I already mentioned, we did have an autograph, so we'll see if we get one out of these last few packs. If I can open the packs. Dennis Smith Jr. Rookie Kings, and Ivan Robb, or Robb. Sabonis, Carroll, Devin Booker, Court Kings Prism. Oh, that just wipes off. Down to 3 packs. DeMarcus Cousins, and Anagbu. Hollis Jefferson, Embiid, Court Kings purple. It's a good one. And our last pack, if there's going to be an autograph, it's going to be here. Looks like no. So no autograph in box 2. Havlicek Hall Kings. So that answers a question of, do you get one in every retail box? And that's a big NO. Alright, thanks for watching. This round 2 was not nearly as good as round 1, but we'll see what round 3 and 4 hold. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care and have a great day.